Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Wix and Wix Studio. Wix and Wix Studio offer powerful website building tools, but they cater to different users' needs. Wix is a user-friendly website builder perfect for beginners and small business owners. It offers a wide range of customizable templates suited for blogs, portfolios, and e-commerce. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to build a site without any coding knowledge. Its app market adds extra functionality like chat, bookings, and form with just a few clicks. Wix is great for anyone who wants a fast, visually appealing website without technical hassle. Meanwhile, Wix Studio is tailored for designers, developers, and agencies needing advanced design control. It offers flexible layout tools, custom breakpoints, and built-in team collaboration features. Users can create responsive, high-performance websites with animations and custom code. The platform supports client workflows, making it ideal for managing multiple web projects. Wix Studio is best for professionals looking to deliver complex, custom, and scalable websites. In my opinion, Wix is best for beginners and quick setups, while Wix Studio is best for professionals needing advanced designs. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.